Good morning, all of you. Welcome to E-class. Now, today's topic is teaching method, part 1. This is English methods class, and today we are going to learn about teaching methods. Now, what are the methods which we use while teaching? तो उसके बारे में आज हम लोग जानेंगे. So, strategies. Now, teaching methods, strategies. What is it? Teaching method is related to the presentation of the lesson. Now, what is teaching method? Teaching method is related to the presentation of the lesson. Suppose you are teaching something, कोई lesson को आप पढ़ा रहे हैं and you have to present it before the students. So वो presentation related to the presentation of the lesson. That means you are presenting the lesson in the class. That is teaching method. Adaptation of the method depends on the nature of the lesson and the personal ability of the teacher. That means adaptation of the method depends on the nature. Whatever the nature of the lesson, it's here written nature of the lesson. Whatever the nature of the lesson and the personal ability of the teachers. The टीचर्स एबिलिटी क्या है, उसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या क्या अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं मेथड्स, उस पर डिपेंड करता है ये. सो नेचर ऑफ द लेसन एंड द पर्सनल एबिलिटी ऑफ द टीचर. पर्सनल एबिलिटी क्या क्या है? एडॉप्टेशन ऑफ द मेथड डिपेंड्स. जो एडॉप्टेशन है वो मेथड जो है वो टीचर की एबिलिटी और लेसन का नेचर को देखते हुए मेथड को अपनाना चाहिए. टीचिंग मेथड्स कैन बी कैटेगराइज इनटू 4 कैटेगरीज. दैट मीन्स टीचिंग मेथड जो है उसको 4 कैटेगरीज में हम लोग कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दे? वी विल सी हियर. द फर्स्ट वन इज टेलिंग मेथड. टेलिंग मेथड्स के अंदर में क्या क्या आता है? लेक्चर मेथड, डिस्कशन मेथड, स्टोरी टेलिंग मेथड, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ सी, we can it is very clear by the name only that all these methods are under telling methods, by speaking methods. How? Lecture method. While lecture method we speak, tell something. In discussion method we tell something, and in storytelling method also we tell something to the students. Now next is activity method. By the name only we can understand that this is the children parts, whatever the children are doing, whatever the students are doing. And telling methods, most probably it's teacher centered, and activity method is most probably it's student centered. Now child centered. This is what are the methods which come under this activity method? Project method, problem solving method, etc. So while problem solving, they are very active. So it's under children students activity. Next is project method. While completing their project, they actively participate. So it is activity method. Next is third one is visual methods. Under visual methods, these are the methods which come under visual method. First one is textbook method, demonstration method, supervised study method. So all these come under visual method. While reading the textbook, they look through it. That means they view it and then they read it. Now second is demonstration method. While the teacher is demonstrating something, presenting something, the students visual that presentation and tries to understand it. Supervised study method. Now this is supervised study method is also while the student is reading or while the student is learning something, the teacher supervises, and while that, what method does the teacher apply? That is visual method. The teacher is using visual method. Next, fourth one is mental method, inductive method, deductive method, analysis method, synthesis method. Now all these are under brain. That means mentally they are working. Mentally methods they are working. I have already discussed about inductive method, deductive method, and this analysis method. We have already no, we have already learned about this. We have already what are the points which comes under inductive and deductive methods. We know everything. So while reading this method, mental method, you can understand that why it is called inductive, deductive analysis and synthesis is called the mental method. It's by the name only you can rectify it. And today's topic, I hope that everyone can understand it. And if you are having any doubts, can ask me in class, and we shall discuss it and clear all the doubts. Thank you.